my point of being here today was to talk about our upcoming workshop and see if you guys would be interested in joining me, because we're actually going to create a whole path. We've never done this before. We're going to use our 10-step program and go through the 10 steps to immigrate through real estate and the 10 steps to immigrate through investment. And we're going to show you how to walk through each of those steps so that you could potentially do a visa on your own. Well, you probably need some legal help at some point, but we're going to give you all the tools and the information that you need so that you can be armed and dangerous to actually go through the process of finding a business and potentially figuring out your visa process. We're going to focus on the E2 visa. We'll talk about the others as well, but the E2 is the most coveted visa, as it says in my book, Finding Your Silver Lining in the Business Immigration Process. And we're going to go through the whole step-by-step process so that you can have your path in your hands and your future in your hands as well. So people are always saying how they don't know what to do to get started and they don't know how to take the first step, and there's a lot of fear. And we are here to help you overcome the fear and figure out those next steps so that you can actually start your process to moving forward and not spend another winter in the cold, dreary, unfortunately dreary. I was just in Philadelphia last week and it reminded me of Toronto, and it was the beginning of May and it was cold and overcast and rainy. And here it's sunny and a little too warm for May, but it's beautiful and we can't complain, and it's a really wonderful day. My son was just invited to the Little League All-Star team here in Boca, but unfortunately or fortunately, we are going to Cooperstown to play baseball there, and then we are going on an amazing trip on the other side of the world. So he will not be able to play for the All-Star team this year, but it's a pleasure and an honor for him to have been invited and included, and he loves baseball so much. Almost as much as I love helping people create a strategy to help them invest in and immigrate to the US. So let's help you find a way to do that. If you have any questions, you can definitely post them below. The Masterclass and Workshop is on May 17th. That's Wednesday, May 17th. I think it's 12:30, maybe 12 Eastern, and it'll be 90 minutes, and it will be an amazing opportunity for you to be interactively involved with the process and learn about it and go through your 10 steps, and we'll be sharing a workbook as well. And on top of that, you'll have a bonus Q&A session. We have 2 Q&A sessions. I think one is on the 19th and one is on the 24th. The 19th is during the day and the 24th is in the evening, and you can choose from one of those 2, and you'll be able to join us and learn all about how to invest to immigrate or how to invest in the US. And so thank you for being here today, and feel free to drop any questions in the messages below. Thanks for joining me, and hopefully we'll see you on the 19th. I'm sorry, the 17th, I get confused. The 17th, 1 week from tomorrow. Signed up for the course or through our website, which we will also post below. So thank you again, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.